Hello friends and welcome to my channel, Psych Degree. In this video I will talk on the topic, the science of love, what happens in the brain when we fall in love. It is going to be another interesting topic, and in this, I will be discussing the neurochemical and hormonal changes that occur in the brain when we fall in love and how they affect our behavior, thoughts, and emotions. Well, before starting the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Now, let's begin. When we fall in love, our brains release a flood of chemicals and hormones that can have a profound effect on our behavior, thoughts, and emotions. One of the most well-known chemicals associated with love is dopamine. Dopamine is a neurotransmitter that is responsible for feelings of pleasure and reward. When we fall in love, dopamine levels in the brain increase, leading to feelings of euphoria, excitement, and motivation. Another chemical associated with love is oxytocin, also known as the cuddle hormone. Oxytocin is released during physical touch, such as hugging or cuddling, and is responsible for feelings of bonding and trust. Oxytocin levels in the brain increase during the early stages of a romantic relationship, leading to feelings of attachment and commitment. Studies have shown that oxytocin plays a crucial role in social bonding and attachment, and it has been linked to increased trust and generosity towards others. Similarly, vasopressin has been found to play a role in long-term relationships. Research has shown that individuals with higher levels of vasopressin tend to have stronger bonds with their partners and are more likely to stay in committed relationships. Vasopressin has also been linked to increased feelings of protectiveness towards one's partner and a greater willingness to make sacrifices for them. Serotonin, a neurotransmitter associated with mood regulation, also plays a role in love. Low levels of serotonin have been linked to feelings of depression and anxiety, while higher levels have been linked to feelings of happiness and well-being. When we fall in love, serotonin levels in the brain decrease, leading to feelings of infatuation and obsessiveness. Testosterone and estrogen are also important hormones that play a role in love. These hormones are associated with sexual desire and attraction, and their levels increase during the early stages of a romantic relationship. Interestingly, falling in love can also have an impact on our stress levels. Research has shown that being in a loving relationship can actually reduce stress and lower levels of the stress hormone cortisol. This is because being in a loving relationship can provide a sense of security and emotional support, which can help to reduce stress and anxiety. The brain also releases the hormone norepinephrine, which is responsible for the butterflies in the stomach feeling that we often experience when we're in love. This hormone causes our heart rate to increase and our palms to sweat, which is why we may feel nervous and anxious when we're around the person we love. While these neurochemical and hormonal changes can be incredibly pleasurable, they can also have a dark side. When a relationship ends, the brain can experience withdrawal symptoms similar to those experienced when coming off drugs. This can lead to feelings of sadness, depression, and even physical pain. Additionally, the hormones released during the initial stages of love can cloud our judgment and make it harder to see red flags or warning signs in a relationship. So what can we learn from the science of love? Understanding the neurochemical and hormonal changes that occur in the brain when we fall in love can help us to better understand our behavior, thoughts, and emotions in romantic relationships. It can also help us to better cope with the pain and heartache that often accompany the end of a relationship. Additionally, it's also important to remember that love is not just a feeling, but also an action. Love is about caring for, supporting, and cherishing the person you are with, regardless of the hormonal fluctuations. There are different factors that can influence our attraction to others and how our attachment style can affect our relationships. Like love and culture. The experience of love and attraction can also vary across different cultures. For example, in collectivistic cultures, such as those found in Asia, the emphasis may be on family and social harmony, rather than individual happiness. In some cultures, arranged marriages may be the norm, while in others, dating and courtship are more common. Love and gender differences. While the science of love can apply to people of all genders, research has shown that there may be some gender differences in the way we experience love and attraction. For example, men tend to be more visually oriented when it comes to attraction, while women tend to place more emphasis on personality and social status. Additionally, women may be more likely to seek emotional intimacy in relationships, while men may be more focused on physical intimacy. In conclusion, the science of love gives us a glimpse into the complex and fascinating ways that our brains and bodies respond to romantic love. It highlights the importance of understanding the neurochemical and hormonal changes that occur in the brain when we fall in love and how they affect our behavior, thoughts, and emotions. Remember, love is not just a feeling, but also an action. It's important to take care of the person we love and make sure that we are not just in love with the feeling, but also the person. Well friends, that's it in this video. Thanks for watching. And once again, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.